welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we working on this $8 truck again.
And you better know it.
We're about to do a tune-up on it because it was kind of cutting out on that long ride to the house. So we're about to replace the spark plugs, the wires, the cap, the rotor button. Let's get it. Stop! All right, y'all, we need a 5/8 socket. Take the spark plug wires off. I already pre-took mine off, so yeah. Get it out here, babe. Ooh, they weren't even that tight.
Tight enough.
And I do them one at a time so I don't get anything mixed up with the firing order.
Cut! I'm just listening. She trying to give all the skills, y'all. Yeah, it ain't antifreeze. Take her from right there.
We're gonna put this spark plug wire set on here, and we got the cap and the rotor button in here. Y'all wanna see it? Right. Put them on as I go, so we're not getting anything confused.
You better know it. You better know it.
So, that's right.
Producer, director. That's what I am.
Look, these in the pack. Put on these two.
They only give you one pack. You got 8 wires. What they tell you?
When you got 9.
You are so right. That's why I'm just the director. We're greasing them holes up. Yep. Come on.
They don't give you much, huh?
They don't need that much to slide on
Yeah,
now.
I got 3 more. Hold on. Cap. Where the new cap at, right quick?
There you go. We zooming in.
If I can, I might get it all the way off.
Come on now, back that thing up.
Oh,
ooh, God dang. What are those?
Hey.
Oh, she missing for real.
See what your problem is.
She missing.
Dang.
Yeah, she
That
missing.
thing came out like dust. I'm gonna measure them up to see which one it match up with. And it's this one right here.
Yep. Get it in.
Old one on over there.
So, she putting the piece on the puzzle. Which one is it? This right here. But I'm gonna tell you one thing about it. You might can do it like that, but when you get to the other side, you're gonna have to remember how it goes back.
Hopefully I'll be able to pull it off then when I get some more of these off. You feel me?
Action.
Alright, y'all, I'm putting it back in. And you got the spark plugs at 35.
35 ohms. Let me stop. Just 35. Y'all, just 35. Them plugs were rusty. I'm talking about like a bat out of hell. Ooh.
Alright, it's snappy. No, yeah.
Almost sound like you popped a pimple. Ooh. Got it in there. Looking beautiful. 3716. 3716. That spark plug too long. Sorry, y'all. I had a moment. Stomach growling, huh?
Yeah.
Sound like The magic
know
boat.
what that means.
Hate when
Wait,
actors
put it
be.
on, put it on.
I hate when actors try to tell the producer directors thing. Gotta get through the cut, y'all. See, she put these in with her hand last time.
Oh.
Now, hey,
Ben.
you gonna be buying me another camera? She hit me in the eye now. Most of that whole house is still see. I tell you.
That's when it clicked.
All right, the hard side she should have did first.
All right. Dang.
You can take that cap off, sit down on it. Put all them on this side. Good people. Straight from the dealership.
I think that was more of the problem though too on that rusty one right there. Having that misfire. Slide it off of me, baby.
That's when the producer come in. You do all the back scenes.
See if it's the let me check the other one.
I tell you, y'all. She's a lover, not a fighter.
Oh. This is a lot different.
No.
I don't think they're gonna work.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it back.
Yeah. Alright guys, we got the wrong rotor button.
That ain't even put for this one.
We got the wrong rotor button, so we're gonna have to put this one back on here for now and change this one out and put it on
Later.
Alright y'all, we on the I'm on the driver's side now. So put a little bit on there. Move this out my way down. Somebody beat that. Oh. Yeah, that one too good. Alright, y'all. Alright. Take that one on. Pop it on, y'all. Go to the next one. We coming along. Oh God, man, y'all missed that. All that came out from the one from the other end on the cap. That's another one that was full of rust. I got two more, y'all. Two more. Alright. Two more. Alright. Snap. No. Alrighty. I'm trying to do this one right here. I don't know if it's gonna have something in there, but oh yeah, it do. Y'all seen that? Terrible. See if I can get it on there without an extension. I might not can. Maybe y'all can see that. He'll be back. Tighten it up.
Battery pack, man.
Yeah, we've been quick on.
Quicker on the scene. Yep, yeah, she fired out there. You do.
I have to get one.
What she just say?
Alright, y'all, we gotta tie these wires. I gotta put the cord wire. Is that the new one?
Yes, ma'am. Suck it down on that. You ain't even say it now.
I thought you were waiting for the click. It's now.
It's always. Yep.
Alright, y'all, got all the wires on, all the plugs in. Just gotta tighten the cap down now. And that's a size 6mm, right? Or a Phillips head screwdriver. Got 2 screws on the distributor cap. Make sure y'all get the cap down on too. On that control module. Initial control module.
Get it on it.